Hello. In this video, we'll learn how to create procedural tartan texture automatically. We will use the tartan generator available online at www.scottweb.co.uk, the link is in the description. The way this generator works is very simple and it only takes a few minutes to get to know it. More importantly, as we will see in a moment, our automatic shader in the Blender works exactly the same. The online generator allows you to create your own pattern from scratch or modify an existing one, the choice is yours. For this video I'll create a new simple pattern from scratch. At this point it's very important to select non-symmetrical checkbox, because the symmetrical method will be discussed in the next video. Okay, the work with the generator is done, so now we have to use the same values for our procedural texture next step. So let's open tartanautomatic.blend file. As before, we will use the text edit collection to edit our texture. In this case, we're gonna need 5 RGB nodes. So let's combine colors with appropriate slots and rewrite the values to the individual shader slots. And there you go. Also note that the number of threads slider is missing in our group because in this method the number of threads is calculated automatically. And that's where the name of this method comes from. If we want to render a seamless texture, we do the same as in the second part, but in this case the number of threads depends on the sum of all color values, so we have to change one of these values if necessary.